In this video I'm going to show you how to check friend requests sent on Facebook on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Facebook app, there hit on three bars menu icon. Next, scroll down for a bit and hit on Settings and Privacy, and here tap on Settings. Now there, scroll all the way down until you find Activity Log. There, scroll down until you find Connections and hit on that small arrow to bring up these options. And there, select Send friend requests. Now here would be the list of all your sent friend requests from that specific account. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.